Christian Lee here. If you, after watching this video, still have a bit of an issue learning the song from start to finish because of some specific techniques like bar chords, hammer-ons, pull-offs, stuff like that, feel free to click the link below to schedule a free guitar lesson. I would love to help you play your favorite songs from start to finish, so feel free to do that, and I'll see you on the other side.